Hey everyone! Today, we're looking at Prostagenix Multiphase Prostate Supplement, which claims to relieve urinary symptoms, shrink prostate size, and improve men's health. We tested it thoroughly to see what really happens. Prostagenix uses a multiphase formula with ingredients like beta-sitosterol, Pygeum, and Palmetto. After using it, we noticed fewer nighttime bathroom trips, improved urinary flow, and overall less discomfort. While results weren't instant, consistency made a difference after a few weeks. The pros are that the formula is comprehensive. It addresses multiple angles of prostate health and is backed by some clinical studies. The cons are that it's a bit pricey. The capsules are large and it may take weeks to notice changes. Some people may also experience mild stomach upset in the first few days. Overall, Prostagenix feels like one of the more effective prostate supplements out there. It's not a miracle fix, but for men dealing with prostate-related symptoms, it can provide noticeable relief with consistent use. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.